Do subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Hello friends, welcome to Tuto. Yesterday when I saw that I have reached 100 subscribers, I was so happy. Still I am happy, but at that moment I realized that it is my first few steps of my journey. I have to reach top of the peak, and for that I need blessings from you guys who just made this thing happen. So I am requesting to you guys, go to my Facebook page or Instagram or even to my Twitter page and write whatever you want, whatever you like or dislike. Any opinion from your side is always welcome. And if I am not uploading any videos for a long time, you are free to use any kind of bad words. No worries about that. That will keep me motivated. So again, thank you guys, thank you for supporting me. New videos are just coming soon, and those guys who did not subscribe me yet, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notification every time I upload a new video. So this is it guys, thank you, see you in the next video, peace.